go to 800, class 800 going to Gloucester Road, Cheltenham Spa Station.
Platform 2 for the 12
No tones.
cross-country service to Cardiff Central, Gloucester, Newport and Cardiff Central. This train has 3 coaches. First class is
Here comes cross country. .800 80211. And now next train to arrive is going to be the 12:26 cross country service to Nottingham. No, Lydney. No, Cardiff Central, sorry. We'll be calling at Nottingham, Lydney, Chepstow and Cardiff Central. Class 172397. And I'm just going to go to the front of the train now before it departs. Take care, little man. I'll just go to the front of the train to see it depart. Now departing is class 172397. Thank you. Okay, next train to arrive is going to be the 12:30 Great Western Railway service from Swindon, which will be terminating here and potentially going to Westbury. Hey Jackson. It's class 166. Terminating here. And I think it's in the old First Great Western livery. No, it's in GWR. These trains are in Train Sim World 3 and Train Sim World 2 and Train Sim World 1. I've been in 3 Train Sim Worlds. We'll just wait for the train to depart. Okay, so our next train to depart is the 12:41 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth. Do you want to introduce yourself? Right. Barriers are down. I can't believe you're a Manchester United fan, I don't believe it. Cross country service to Birmingham New Street. That could be a HST because it's quite a far train, quite a far journey from here to Birmingham.
That's still in central.
On that side.
Yeah.
Ah, come on. I wonder if they're waiting for the train from Nottingham to come from this way, and then it'll come in. Oh no, it's going. Guard has blown the whistle, ready to depart for Weymouth. And it's 204. At last, we got some tones. Thank you. Right guys, I'll see you on platform 4 waiting for the cross-country service to Birmingham New Street, so I'll see you then. Okay guys, so here we have a Class 17622 cross-country service to Nottingham via Derby. It's now ready to depart. And off it goes. Now ready to depart is the 12:45 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street. Nice, that was good. Thank you.